think we're on the right side of the platform?
Wouldn't be the first time we were on this side and the train was leaving on that side.
Yes, I remember that train in Madrid.
I remember it leaving without us.
So happy you proposed this trip for our anniversary.
I would propose to you again and again. You've given me the happiest years of my life.
The train to Union Station is now arriving.
That's us.
We should include this latest data in this part of the presentation.
I can ask the Europe team if they can provide the numbers.
Yes. We need to show how providing more salespeople in that region will impact this year's projected sales.
If you don't mind my saying, I've noticed that you haven't asked me to repeat myself at all lately.
You noticed?
Of course. You used to say pardon or excuse me all the time, and I can't remember the last time you did that.
Yes, I can hear voices so much clearer now, even with background noise like this, using a new sound processing strategy called ClearVoice.
ClearVoice? So it works just like its name?
That's right. And I won't have to ask anyone to repeat themselves at the next sales conference either.
You want to sing a song? What song do you want to sing?
It's the itsy bitsy spider.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Are we there yet?
Almost. We're gonna have to sing Itsy Bitsy Spider a few more times.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Down came the rain.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
Would you like to hear today's specials?
Yes, please.
Our soup of the day is a lobster bisque. Our fish special is blackened tilapia with Cajun spices over red mashed potatoes with roasted vegetables. And our dessert special is an apple streusel coffee cake.
Thank you. Can you give us a moment?
Sure thing. I'll bring your drinks.
Thanks.
What are you having? Let's say some moonflag coffee cake.
Always a good idea to plan ahead. I think that tilapia sounds delicious.
I wonder what their signature dish is.
I think I'm gonna get the scallops. I really like them.
The woman behind you just ordered the scallops. She always orders them. They're her favorite.
Wow, I'm impressed you can hear that.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's a better hearing of AB.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.